Hi, my name is Shehroz Ahmed, and in this video I'm gonna do some non-calculator questions for SAT. So let's move on. Alright, so here we have a question that says a painter will paint n walls with the same size and shape in a building using a specific brand of paint. The painter's fee can be calculated by the expression NKLH, where n is the number of walls, k is a constant with the unit of dollars per square foot, L is the length of each wall in feet, and H is the height of each wall in feet. If the customer asks the painter to use a more expensive brand of paint, which of the factors in the expression would change? Alright, so for this question we will see what are the variables that will not change. So let's see one by one. So H. So H is basically, it is the height of each wall in feet. So the height of the walls will not change. So A will not be our option. Let's see L. So in the question it says L is the length of each wall in feet. So obviously the length will also not change. So this will be not the option. Let's see K. So it says K is a constant with the units of dollars per square foot. So when the customer wants to use more expensive paint, then the value of K will increase, because K is basically the units of dollars per square foot. So the units of dollar will increase. So K will be our option. Now let's see the fourth option, that is N. So N are the number of walls. So the number of walls, they are also constant, so they will not change. So our correct option will be K. Alright, so let's see this question number 2. It says if 3r is equal to 18, then what is the value of 6r plus 3? So we have to find out the value of this expression. So for this one we have to work out the value of r first of all. So 3r is equal to 18. So we'll divide both sides by 3 and we'll get r equals to 6. Now we'll just insert this value of 6 into this expression, and 6r plus 3 will become 6 times 6 plus 3, that would be equal to 36 plus 3, that will be equal to 39. So our correct option will be option D, 39. Alright, so now let's see this question. It says which of the following is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 for all values of a. So let's write down this expression separately. So I can write a to the power of 2 by 3 as a square times a to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, so this a to the power of 1 by 3 means taking the cube root. So my correct option would be like this. Alright, so let's do question number 3. It says which of the following is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 for all values of a. So we have been given some options, but let me just split it. So I can write a to the power of 2 by 3 as a square whole power of 1 by 3. So 2 times 1 by 3 will be equal to 2 by 3. So this 1 by 3 means taking the cube root. So it will become a square with a cube root. So the correct option will be option D, this one. Alright, so let's see question number 4. It says the number of states that joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of states that joined between 1850 and 1900. If 30 states joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 and X states joined between 1850 and 1900, which of the following equation is true? Alright, so between this era, the number of states that joined were twice the number of states that have joined in this era. So from 1776 to 1849, the number of states that had joined were 30, and from 1850 to 1900, the number of states that have joined are X. Now this X is basically, this will be the half of 30, or let me put it the other way. So 30 is twice of X. So I'll write it as like this. 30 is means equal twice of x. Twice means 2 times x. So this would be our equation. 30 equals to 2x. So 30 equals to 2x is over here. So option B is the correct one. Alright, now the next question, it says if 5 over x is equal to 15 over x plus 20, what is the value of x over 5? So we have to work out the value of x over 5. Now for that purpose, I have to work out the value of x, then I'll just insert it into this expression and I'll get the answer. So the equation is 5 over x equals to 15 over x plus 20. So I'll do the cross multiplication, so it'll become 15 times x will be equal to 5 times x plus 20. Now 15x is equal to, I'll open the bracket, so it will be like 5x plus 100. So I'll subtract 5x on both sides. So on the left side I'll get 10x and on the right side I'll get 100. Now I'll divide both sides by 10 and I'll get the value of x equals to 10. Now I'll simply insert the value of x over here. So 10 over 5 will be equal to 2. So 2 will be my answer. So these are some of the questions that I've done for you for SAT non-calculator paper. Thank you.